So let's put up an Intex 16 by 32 foot pool. Now first, make sure that your surface is level. Make sure it's raked and tamped down so that your pool's ready to go in. Next, lay your canvas down that comes with your pool. Now lay your liner out and begin sticking the upper wall poles through the holes. They'll be labeled A, B, C, and you'll start on one end and push it all the way through to the other end of the pool. It's tight, so 3 people or more are necessary. The instructions say a 90-minute installation, but
it can't be done in 90 minutes.
Now install your legs by attaching them to the poles you just inserted into the top of the pool. We found it easier to lay the walls down and then insert them that way. It was much easier. Now each leg has a sleeve that slides over the leg, and then that sleeve attaches to a sleeve that's connected to the bottom of your pool liner. Now a plastic rod is provided to insert into the tube, connect the legs to the liner. Now it's very important to put your pool legs on a concrete block that's been leveled. One will go under each leg, so of which there are 24 legs on the 16 by 32. So plan on having 32 small concrete blocks and leveled out for each of those legs. Now it's time to fill up your pool, carefully kicking the wrinkles out of the bottom of the pool several times as the water gets a little bit deeper. I do that several times to get those wrinkles out. Now one of our concerns while we were putting this pool up was that the walls seemed to stay curved in. The longer side walls seemed to stay curved in until it was completely full. But the sides did come out, but not until it was almost full. So don't worry about that when you see this happen. Hey, next, if you haven't already, install your filter at the pool level and then go enjoy yourself. So you may have come across this video and wondered why there's a hole in the ground. Well, you'll have to check out the video link provided right here on a project where we lowered our above ground pool to ground level. Thanks for watching, guys.